Hello, name's Savage Gamer. This is, I'll say, Bigfoot part 1. That's what I'll call it, or I might change the title. So, today, yeah, like I said, we're gonna play Bigfoot, or Finding Bigfoot, and we're playing this on PC, which is obvious. Because you can't play it on Xbox, but you can, if you ever heard the games Five Nights at Freddy's, you can play I think, because I saw it on the Xbox store, in Xbox. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna go to Bigfoot today. So, and let's solo. Delete that. New game. Wait, hang on. Wait. Savage Gamer. Oops. Savage. Alright, so I played this game before, like I said, or I don't think I did. So yeah, so today we're gonna be Rick, and we're gonna play in Ross Lake. Maybe Glacier Bay will be another day we could play that. So right now we're just gonna just play Ross Lake today, because Glacier Bay is like a really cold place right now. So we're gonna do Ross Lake. We're gonna begin that. So yeah. The news about the people disappearing in Ross Lake National Park all over the local newspapers over the past year. Dozens of victims were found torn apart or disappeared without a trace, according to Eyewitness. Oh. Hunter found dead? What? Unknown creature caught on camera. Missing group of scouts was found dead. Group of tourists are missing. This is new. I never seen this before. When I played. Washington? Jeez, dude. I'm never gonna go to Washington again if it's actually that real. So, Ross Lake National Park, and I'm betting that's Barrowby right there. Because I've never seen this intro before. I don't know if I have. And that's someone spying on us? I believe that has to be. So yeah. Check the background back there. It's really nice and sweet. So yeah, so we're gonna go take this, a tent, bear trap, open. Night vision, yes! I haven't seen that yet. Tracking bullets, I need to keep that on. Yeah. Or no, this table. See, I never know how to work the drone. It's just really complicated, or I never know how to do it because it's really weird. So yeah, this is a Finding Bigfoot, and yeah. So we're gonna get our bear trap, rifle, tracking bullets. Is there a first aid kit here? There's no first aid kit. As far as I know. Rocket. Oh. Anything in there? Tracking bullets. Anything in there? Nothing. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep those trapped. Is there a first aid? Okay, there is a first aid. Just kidding. Now there's cameras. Is that a guitar? I get it soon, dang, dude. Alright, we're gonna go right now because I don't have much time. So yeah, we're gonna go down this far. So you're gonna need branches and sticks and rocks, because these you need branches because they're kind of like these little small guys. So yeah, we're gonna go this far, or actually more than far actually. And then because that's closer to home, get sticks, branch. You say I already know how to play this game because it's been quite a while, but I never seen the intro before. So yeah, so we're gonna go thus far. Oh, that's a barrier right there. Is this Bigfoot's place? Never mind. I'll just go this way then. Sticks. Yeah, so like I played this game before, no big deal, but it's been a long time, so I feel like I'm already passing something. Okay, right here. We'll set it right here. Okay. Oh, whoops. So that's tab if you press that. So Q is your inventory. So trap, set that down right there. So you see the thing in the middle? You see the thing? You see the white thing in the middle, like where I'm going? You push. So like you put that white thing somewhere, and you push E. So like you. Oh, I'm pushing R. So you push E, and then put E, and then you gotta go Q. Put a camera, and like I recommend putting it somewhere that like no one can see it, like kind of like right here. Or like, well, kind of like right here, cause it's easier to see. So yeah, so like Bigfoot can't see it. I'm gonna head back to the camp, see what happens. So I don't have much time, so I'm gonna have to end this video and make it part 2. So yeah, nope, rock, yes. Stick. Oh, that's not a stick. Alright, I'm gonna go back now. So yeah, this game is, so I heard that some people actually have caught Bigfoot, but they were like really liars in this game. Oh, wait. Oh shoot. What is that? Oh, I think I know what that is. I know what that is probably. It's probably, because I think I heard that noise before. What is that? If I hear that noise again, it's going to be really terrible for me. I'm going to go back to the camp. I'm going to have to go back. So head back there. Oh, shoot. So, go tab. No one's there. It's weird though. How come no one's there when? Oh, I think I know why. I think that beeping noise was. So like, I'm pretty sure that beeping noise was something that was controlled by someone. So it's spotted something. So like, yeah, I'm gonna end this video, guys. I'm gonna stop there for today. So maybe we'll make a part 2. Leave in the comments below if you think I should make a part 2. So yeah, thank you for watching and leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you had a good day. Thank you.